Today on November 25, I would like to invite everyone to join the EU delegation in Kyrgyzstan and the joint EU-UN Spotlight Initiative to promote the global campaign against violence against women and girls. This is a global campaign that runs for 16 days and that raises awareness against gender-based violence. And we would like to invite everyone to educate themselves and to also publicly take a stance against gender-based violence, and as well to promote women and girls leadership in Kyrgyzstan. Here today we will launch it from Osh, where the campaign will start and run all over the country.
Women in Kyrgyzstan have always been active at all levels. They have strengthened peace, responded to numerous emergencies through women-led networks, ensured social cohesion and equality, advanced economic development, whilst often being caretakers for children, the elderly, or the sick and disadvantaged. Women leadership in Kyrgyzstan has deep roots, evidenced in many epic poems as well as in the country's modern history, featuring numerous women leaders who made indelible contributions to the country's development through building state institutions and strengthening open society, ensuring economic well-being of their families, including during challenging times of political and socio-economic transformations or conflict, as well as championing progress through diplomacy, science, technology, and culture. Sadly, women and girls, however, continue to be the target of gender-based violence. While harming their health in numerous ways, often with long-lasting effects, violence prevents women and girls, as well as men and boys when affected, from fully participating in the society and from living up to their full potential. It impacts entire families, their communities, and the country at large. It has tremendous costs, from greater strains on the country's healthcare system to legal expenses and losses in economic productivity. And today, 25th November, on the first day of the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence against women and girls, I call on all people in Kyrgyzstan to unite and team up against this pandemic of violence and instead preserve, protect and strengthen the role of women and girls, cherishing the traditions of strong women and strong women leadership. We need vigorous national action plans to end the violence against women and girls, strong public campaigns that reject all kinds of violence, better access to protection and justice for survivors of violence, and closer engagement of women in decision-making at all levels with strong and vibrant women's and girls' organizations. The United Nations are committed to supporting you in putting an end to this abhorrent human rights violation that is gender-based violence. And only with the whole of society support, the full attention and readiness of the entire population, we will be able to put an end to this scourge once and for all.